Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by collecting what you need: channel handles, profile URLs, and any ID or tokens. Once done, make sure to confirm you have admin or editor permissions on each account so linking will succeed. Next, open the target platform's integrations or channel linking settings and prepare to add a new link. You'll enter a handle or paste a URL. Choose the correct account when prompted. This prevents mix-ups and speeds the process while you proceed to map each channel. You now authorize each channel. Prefer OAuth flows so users grant scoped access without sharing passwords. Once done, make sure to accept only the scopes needed and record whether tokens expire or require refresh. After authorization, map channels to internal slots or categories so routing and embeds display correctly. Test each mapping with a quick publish or preview action. If the platform offers webhooks or callbacks, enable them to keep links live and synchronized for real-time updates. You finish by publishing or saving changes and then verifying every linked channel across the target pages or apps. Once done, make sure to watch analytics and logs for failed requests or permission errors so you catch issues early. If links look incorrect, reauthorize the account, clear caches, and confirm scopes include read and publish rights. A key troubleshooting tip: if updates fail, revoke and regrant the OAuth token. This often resolves stale permissions without rebuilding mapping.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.